Hello and welcome back to another video of analog electronics. So today we're gonna start our first chapter of analog electronics, that is semiconductor physics. So if you are visiting this channel for the first time, then please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. And let's start the video without wasting much time. So in semiconductor physics, first of all, we're gonna see the classification of matters based on their states. So before gonna know about the classification of matter, let's see what is meant by matter. So in simple words, matter is a substance made up of various particles that occupies physical space and must have inertia. Okay, so this is called as the definition of matters. And matters are classified into three types. The first one, that is crystalline solid. In this kind of materials, generally we see long range order of atoms and they are perfectly arranged inside, as you can see in the image. And here you can also see the crystal which is having many repeating units, that is known as unit cell. Okay, so now let's talk about the second type of materials, that are amorphous solid. In this kind of material there is no ordering of atom and the atoms are arranged in a random way, as you can see in the image. This type of materials are called as amorphous solid or amorphous material. Okay, so now let's talk about the third material, that is a semi-crystalline material, or we are sometimes call it as pseudo-crystalline material. Okay, so in case of semi-crystalline or pseudo-crystalline materials, the atoms are perfectly arranged but over short distance, and over large distance arrangement is a random. Okay, here you can see in the image also. Okay, so these are called as the types of materials which are very important in case of semiconductor physics. Okay, so in the next video we will talk about the classification of materials based on their conductivity. Okay, so till now, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.